This is where Shanice used to live. It's a 1-bedroom house, a 5-member household. And they have transformed this into this. We want the transformation to happen much more quickly and for many, many more Jamaicans. But this gives hope, and we will do it one house at a time. Congratulations, Shanice. It's a very important point that we should note when we talk about the new social housing program. The program does not provide the beneficiary with a plot of land. Usually, we are replacing a structure that is already on a plot of land that is either owned or leased, or there is some long-term permission for use. In this case, Shanice, the beneficiary of this unit, was very fortunate that a family member gifted her a plot of land.
I am grateful. I am beyond words. I am very elated because this is a dream for me and my family.
Sign, seal, and deliver. Our government is up to the task, and we are delivering the houses. At the same time, meeting the environmental standards, the permitting standards, the administrative standards, the procurement standards, all the standards. And that is a very good sign of development.
I would like to thank the government of Jamaica, a big thank you, and the people of Jamaica, because without the help, we would not be here today with this bright smile on my face.